Hello! This is going to be a brief video explaining the senior design project that I've worked on for about the past year now. I worked on this project with Chris Feigl, Max Wilhelmi, and Marcos Hallerweger, and we worked on this project with Starkey Hearing Technologies, so they were the project sponsor, and they also gave us headway on what they wanted to see out of the project. So our project was to design an on-ear sensor platform where we could house various sensors, and then we relayed all that information wirelessly through Bluetooth and live stream the data. So you're probably wondering what this is on my head. This is what we actually designed and built. So let me take it off here and show you. This is our sensor side, so that's where we house all of our sensors. And then on this side, we have in our what we call an Arduino and also the battery. So that's how it's being powered. Oh, and then this on top, that's just a cable to let the two sides talk to each other. So an Arduino makes the embedded systems portion a little bit easier. This is what it looks like. So this is about right here. All right, so let's take a look at the user interface that we designed using LabVIEW. So this is what we had designed to visually show what was all going on with the information that we're relaying back and forth. If you look up in this top left-hand corner, this is a good summary of all the data that we're bringing in. So we have heart rate, the SpO2 level, which is just the oxygen level of your blood. We also have the light level, so just the ambient light level of the room, your body temperature, and then pitch, roll, and yaw, which it's kind of like one package there. So if we look down here to start, this is the heartbeat pleth graph. So if I stay still here for a second, so that's kind of what that looks like. And if we look up here, this is our lux, or the light level of the room, and that sensor is right here. I don't know if you can see it super well, but if I cover it, it's going to go to 0, and then if I let go, it's usually somewhere between 200 and 500. If we look in the bottom right-hand corner, you should see the pitch, roll, and yaw. So pitch is when I look up or down. Roll is when I roll my head left or right, and then yaw is when I look left or look right. So if I'll show my face again here. If we look up here in the top right-hand corner, we see yaw and pitch. Yaw is the same as the graph down here. Pitch is the same as the graph right here. But we did add an avatar with some text to show what direction you are facing. So if I take this off here, if I look left, or I look right, up, and down, it shows all the directions that your head is facing. And if I put this back on here, let the avatar reset. Last but not least, we have an event trigger. So if I nod my head yes, we see yes. And if I shake my head no, we see no. And then finally, if I take this off, I can go like this, and we see a concussion. So that was the project. Hopefully this provided some clarity to what we all did and accomplished. And thanks for watching.